we're gonna do is just pick my weirdest thing. This one. So if I drink this drink lemonade, I think this won't. Why do you wait? Or a creep, I am supposed to life. Everywhere that we go, I'll be there and you won't know. Senpai, I swear I won't. I'm sorry. I'm obsessed with that song. Everyone has to watch it. It's called Notice Me, and Senpai Notice Me. Watch it. You should. It's a proper kid show. If you count murdering people, singing about murdering people. My list for wood floors. Say pie of yes. I wouldn't accept that. Gift me. Gift me. Okay, let's gift. I'm gonna, oh, wow, okay, now. Let's get a necklace. Let's get the ugliest necklace there is. Let's buy it. Okay, no, okay. Turn it, get off, okay. No, my spike, I need my spike, yes, okay, now. We need to gift her. Okay. Okay. I spent money on this. I was gonna gift. And spikes. Spikes. Diamond chump. They think they're cool, but they're not. Let me gift you. Animal Jam rocks. No. Milk Bud. Shirt collar giveaway my den. Trading Wakey beads. Whoop. Okay, let's put on our snazziest to look rare. Hey guys, I rare, cause I wear this. Look at me go. I am fantastic. This den is nice. I hate it, kidding. Why is it hard? Is this like a mating thing? Dun. It's a mating thing. Wow, okay. Weird, she's weird, very weird. Honey, we're eating Phantom for dinner. Oh wow, okay. So, we have 2 dog bowls and no dogs. Oh my god. That's, oh, this is actually a pretty nice bed. I want it. It's mine. My bed. No. Okay. This is no joke, right? No, it's a joke. Did you say member only? Non-members can join too. Dang it! I am recording, but same. Same. Okay, what channel? What's your channel? Wow, she wow, she lied me. Flower. What is yours? YG. flower. What is yours, YT? What is it? Tell me. You need to tell me. You have to. I need a pet to support me on this. Because pets are cool. Pet, yes. Yes, okay. Give me. Say it. Yeah. Does anyone trade or give? Cupid? Okay. First to Jag. Jaggery. No! No! She covered her name! Hi, please. Please. Okay, send. Mostly because I non-member. Too bad. None of us have either, so shush. I want a rare spike for myself. Because I am myself. So I need one for my friend. She was scammed. What? Okay. Report that and send and contact Animal Jam. Not stay here all day. Okay. I don't know why I did that. You're weird. I did. I did already. Donuts. I did already. No! 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 What? This sucks. I hate this. No. 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 Please. 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 Oh, you need... Nobody jammed me donuts. I did! I did. Okay, so... Otter, please say yes. I did. I sent you. I sent. First. I went. I sent already. I sent. Please, help. I jagged you. Help. I just did. I just did. Twice. Give me the color. Give me. This video turned around so hard. Right now, it's about someone who's not giving a color. Give me. I want it now, please. Come on, help me, please. Meep. Pretty flowers. What? No! 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 I'm gonna die. I'm gonna end now. I'm gonna die now. No! 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 I sent it. No! No! What? What? Reporting. I'm reporting you. Report you for personal info. No. I I never get anything good right. I know, right? I know, right? I know, right? I say that, but I have all these rares. All these rares. That's actually not a lot, but still, to some people. Oh, shut up. Oh, shut up. Oh, shut up. Oh, shut up. Lie. You lie. Hey, you. Sure. Oh, shut up. You meanie. You took mine. The otter is lying. You liar. You lied. Yes, you. You. It's only you. Who else is an otter here? Or doesn't choose me? Well, not everything is about you in life. Now I'm going to escape my friend. Excuse me. Okay, never mind. We all know your dog did. Your dog did. I had to. I leave. I leave now. I go now. You should be ashamed. I don't think you lied. I go now. You should be ashamed. I recorded this going on YouTube. You just don't really care right now. Ugh. This going on YT and proof. This happened. This happened. This and proof. This happened. Go down more to proof. This happened. Haha. Now to be ashamed. Now to be ashamed of yourself. Now to be ashamed. Ha ha. Ha. Now to be ashamed. You shamer. You shamer. Don't you smile all cheeky. Don't you smile all cheeky. You mean? Don't you smile all cheeky. Ugh. I could eat. Don't you? What? You smiley. You cheeky smiler. You cheeky smiler. You. Good. Leave me. Leave me. This is why I shouldn't do giveaways. That's your fault. That's your fault. Everyone ends up fighting. 'Cause it's your fault. 'Cause it's your fault. Hey, I never told you guys to come. Well, you kinda did. Exactly. Goodbye, woman. Goodbye, woman. Goodbye. I block you now. Block. Okay, now leave. I shall leave now. Go away. Okay, thank you. Okay, guys. I think that's gonna wrap it. Oh, okay, little necklace. Let's trade some. I is a good. in Zootopia, if you want to be a cookie, you be a cookie. I'm sorry, I'm going movie style. Done. Okay. Feather mask, buddy. You. Oh yeah. You scam. No. You scam. You try trade me rare for non-rare. You mean. Okay. Ah, yes. I go now. No. It locked. It's locked. No. Okay. No. Okay. Okay, what do I want to give away? What do I want to give away? I'm gonna give away my... Wait, I need to switch then, please, yes, oh yes, oh, yes, okay, now no, this is ugly, what is this, what even, I hate it, it looks ugly, ew, no, okay, trash, yes, okay, now, no, well, yes, alright, now we're gonna have a little waiting room. Okay, so in here, we're gonna have, oh, outside, we're gonna have a mirror waterfall. Pretty. Okay, now in here, we're gonna have pretty stuff, like this. It's gonna be pretty, really pretty, yes. Okay, now we have to put a coffee table. For some reason, we need a, now we have to put everywhere that he goes, I'll be there, he won't know. There he is, my one and only senpai. Say hi to senpai. My future boyfriend, he just doesn't know it yet. I share all my feelings. The thoughts I've been concealing, but it sounds so unappealing that I sweat a lot. Coconut keeps kissing at my every day, my favorite subject, senpai. A plus a senpai. Every day, my favorite subject, senpai. A plus a senpai. Just stare at him for hours at a time, sounds so boring. His shirt, his hair, his derriere, it's all this, yet I don't care who sits. Okay, now we have to do the giveaway, guys. Doing a giveaway, and if you miss this is your fault. Curved. Okay, now we're gonna use the blue one because blue is cute. Okay. Yay! Okay, now sit. You have to sit to enter. Sit to enter. That's what I'll say. You have to sit to enter. Sit. Now everyone is gonna sit. By the way, that last girl tried to get away with getting with Cupid wings by saying, "Oh, it'll raise your points by 2 points." No one cares, and no one has one. Oh yeah, I win. Anyway, yeah. So now we can take this floor lamp, and we're gonna put it right here because I like it there for some reason. And then we have a Vera. We're gonna have, oh my god. In the backyard, we're gonna have some evil stuff that I keep because I'm evil. Wahaha. Okay, this is my evil room. My evil room. Okay. And then we have this beautiful blossom tree that I love because it's pretty. And then we have lamps. Beautiful. Okay, now we have to put. No. Okay. Give me. Yes. Now, put it here. Now take this. That is way too big. Too bad I'm putting it here because I am king. And I will have a. What do I want to have? No. Now, have telescope. Telescopes are fun. Right here. Move this. Put it right here. Because we're still king. We're still king. Guys, don't freak out. We're still king. I never said we weren't not. That there. Ooh, I can put this in a good place. Yes, I realize this is a mix of an events, but I wouldn't call it random because it's not so random because it's kind of it's kind of organized. I'm not saying it is. So don't hate comment on it, please. No. We're gonna have a dinner booth here. So you can talk by the pond. Because ponds are cool. Where? Okay. That seems good enough. It's a game, as Simon says. Yes, okay. Okay. And now we shall go into Jamal Township and dance and say, give away my den. Two rares if you win. Not fair at all. Wow. Sorry if I decline. Okay. I can't see your name. Well, no. Give away my den. Okay, dance. Let's dance it up. Your den is. Oh, yeah, sorry. Didn't realize that. Wow. It locked. Give away my den. 2 rares if you win. What is your artwork? I need to see it. Oh. That's the artwork. No! I will not accept it. Give away my den if you win. Den. If you win, you will get 2 rares. And I'm serious. I'm serious, people. Please. Come on. We don't have enough people. It's not. No. Okay. Give away my den. 2 rares if you win. Please. Please. Okay, now what will we do? Dance here. Dance. Give away my den. Here. Now come. Give away my den. 2 rares if you win. Do any of you want 2 rares? Come on. Yes. Okay. Rare head bow for sister with cancer. Give away my den. 2 rares if you win. I'm gonna wait for one more person to come. Last call. Give away my den. 2 rares if you win. Oh, a bunch more people. Give away my den. 2 rares if you win. Come on, please. Please. Oh, okay. Come on. No. Please. Okay. I'm gonna turn off my player. No. Give away my den. 2 rares if you want. No. Come on, people. Okay, last call. Give away my den. 2 rares if you win. Sorry, mine. Okay, that was last call. Come. Okay, everyone, I'm here. Will be a game of Simon Says to win. This will be a game of Simon Says to win. Not scale, not scaling for anything. Not scaling or anything. Okay, now, I say a specific word. You have to read it and do it as quickly as possible. Last one will be out. Now if I say a specific word, you have to do it as quickly as possible. Last one will be out. There you go. Jump, dance. Jump, dance, sit. Wait. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay. Only once. Alright. Hop, dance. Hop, dance. Dance. And who was the first one to sit here? Sit. Do over. I'm confuddled. I'm confused. Do over. I'm confused. Sit, hop, dance. Sit, hop, dance. Oh, 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 ooh, ooh. Oh, man. Okay, now we have to do... Oh, e, e, e. Okay, see how... Sealess. See, I'm so sorry. But you may have a chance to get back in. See, I'm so sorry. You might, but you may have a chance to get back in. You are out. See. But you can get back in. Has to do. Okay. If you do first, next time, you will be in. Okay. Okay. Sit left, front, right, front, back, left, dance. Sit left, front, back, left, dance. Oh! Penguin. Pin, you are out. Pin, you are out. Penguin. Oh, I got it. Sorry. Okay. Last round. These are especially hard. Go to the wolf head, the phantom, the cherry blossom tree, then the mirror and back. The wolf stone head, then the phantom, then the blossom tree, then Vera, then back to me. Three, two, one. Go. is sugar. No, I said go to. No. The. Fine. Oh my goodness. I haven't talked at all. Let's go around like this. Ready? 3, 2, go! 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Sugar for the win! Sugar for the win! Woo! By a second. Yeah, I know. Yeah, that was... Wow, good job. Okay. Your pride. Say them aloud. Okay, I will give her the mohawk and this. Give her this rare vine anklet. Rare mohawk and rare vine anklet. And rare vine anklet. Thanks, bye. Okay. She obviously didn't write, like, this was an awfully long episode, guys. So I think I'm gonna switch my den back the way it was originally and lock it. No, I'll leave it unlocked. Okay, it was originally, and I will see you guys in the next time. So bye, and please ignore how long this was. Usually mine are just like, I don't know, like, yeah, like about 10 minutes, 13 minutes, 14, 15 minutes each. But this one was especially long. I don't know why, but okay, guys, I will see you guys next time. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.